this screw connects to this. To hold it up, this thing will just come off like that. Looks like. At this point, we've pulled the servo, the 4 screws, here, here, and here, off the servo. Pulled this out. Now you have the receiver in the receiver box. So what we're going to do is apply some heat right here. Use the lowest setting you have on a heat gun, and always keep checking it with your thumb or your finger to see how warm it is. It should not be hot. You don't want to risk damaging your receiver. So warm it up a little bit. I won't bore you. Get to how it should go. My fingertips on the end, they're warm. This is warm. So it doesn't take that long. Depending on your gun, it may take a little longer. This is warm enough. I'd start with what you think is just a little warm and try it. I would not risk overheating the receiver just in case you may damage it. But then just take your putty knife and just start prying it. This is what's left. Pretty clean there. Just like that. And inside the receiver box, as you can see, nice and clean break.